This week for Horsepower Friday, we are featuring a turbocharged LS-swapped Fox body Mustang belonging to none other than Jeff Boyd, a master mechanic here at FinishLine Industries. Jeff is a hardcore hot rodder that has been in the scene many years, and his family loves to go fast. This bad mamba jamba is piloted by his fearless wife Jen, and you can see them at Streetcar Super Nationals next week at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. They've worked really hard to get this thing together for next week's race, and the clip that you'll see today is some initial shakedown testing of the car. So if you see them out there, take a moment to give them your love and support. And if you can't make it, be sure and drop some love and support into that comments box below with your guess. Remember, the YouTube commenter with the closest guess, over or under, will win a prize. Let's switch it up today. We'll have a look and a listen first, and discuss last week's winner here in a moment. Prizes include a FinishLine t-shirt and your choice of a $50 gift card or an entry into our Supercharged GTO giveaway contest, which we will be announcing details about very soon. In order to be eligible to win, you must be 16 years of age or older, a subscriber to our FinishLine YouTube channel, and you must leave your guess in the comments box below. So last week on Horsepower Friday, we featured Courtney's completely stock GMC Yukon Denali. Let's take a look and see how much power it made. So it looks like that number was 347 horsepower. Congratulations to this week's winner, M3Z Fab, with your guess of 353.2 horsepower. Good job! Reach out to us via Facebook or shoot us an email to claim your prize. Thank you all for your continued participation and support in helping us grow our YouTube channel. We have so much more in store on here coming real soon. We'll see you then. Well, as you can see, we do fast very well here. So next time you have a go fast project of your own, hit us up. How can we help you get to the finish line? See you next time.